Senator Ping Lacson links former Department of Public Works and Highways Secretary Manuel Bonoan to a growing family business that handles government flood control projects. In his privileged speech, Lacson says Bonoan is linked to MBB Global Properties Corporation, owned by the Maglanque family of Candaba, Pampanga. The same family also owns Global Crete Builders, which secured 2.195 billion pesos worth of flood control projects in Bulacan from 2018 to 2024. He says MBB is the acronym of three family names: Maglanque, Bernardo, Bonoan. Lacson adds Bonoan's daughter is listed as one of the company's owners.
Coincidentally, these are known surnames of today's flood control saga. Candaba Mayor Rene Maglanque, ang patriarch ng Maglanques of Global Concrete Builders, contractor ng multi-billion peso worth of flood control projects. DPWH Undersecretary Roberto Bernardo na kamakailan lamang ay nag-early retirement matapos masangkot sa maanomalyang flood control. At siyempre pa, dating DPWH Secretary Manuel Bonoan. Maglanque, Bernardo, Bonoan, MBB. Sina Macy Maglanque, Sansen Bernardo at pati Magay Bonoan de la Cruz ay mga anak na mga nabanggit na opisyal ng gobyerno. Kaya naman pala ang palaging depensa ni dating DPWH Secretary Bonoan, isolated case lang daw ang nakita ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos sa Ghost Project sa Bulacan. Ayaw na siguro ni Bonoan na maungkat pa sa investigasyon ang Global Crete.
Lacson was named Senate President pro tempore, replacing Senator Jinggoy Estrada. He also replaces Senator Rodante Marcoleta as chairman of the powerful Blue Ribbon Committee. Lacson's new role was triggered by the ouster of Senator Cheese Escudero as Senate President, who was replaced by Senator Tito Soto.